Good morning, everybody. Today you'll need your exercise book and a pencil case. We're going to look at magnets in everyday life. Pedro is helping his grandmother pick up pins. He is doing it the easy way. He is using a bar magnet. A magnet attracts some materials to it. We call these materials magnetic. Types of magnet. Magnets come in many different shapes and sizes. A horseshoe magnet is shaped like a horseshoe. A wand magnet is shaped like a wand. Some magnets are disc-shaped. Some magnets are shaped like rings. Finding out which materials are magnetic. When we say that a material is magnetic, it means that it is attracted by a magnet. We're going to look at these objects and try to decide and discover if they are magnetic or non-magnetic. A duck made of plastic or rubber. A golden ring. A magnet. A paper clip. A rubber. A cork. A wooden ruler. A can, for example, of Coca-Cola. A key. And a screwdriver. What I'd like you to do is to prepare a table on your exercise books. I'd like you to draw a table like this on your exercise book. It might be a good idea to lay it out horizontally on your page. There are 10 items, so you'll need 11 columns. One for magnetic, non-magnetic, and another 10 for each of the 10 items. You can write the name or draw or both. It's up to you. Then think about the items and what they're made of. The duck is made of plastic. is plastic magnetic. And do the same for the other objects. A golden ring is made of gold. A magnet is made of iron, usually. A paperclip is also made of iron. A rubber is made of rubber. A ruler is made of wood. A can is made of aluminium. A cork is made of wood. A key is made of iron, and a screwdriver is also made of iron or steel. Put a tick in this row if you think they are magnetic. Put a cross in this row if you think they are non-magnetic. You can check your answers watching the rest of the video. Pause the video now and copy the table onto your exercise book. So let's see which of these things is magnetic. Let's look at the key first. We've got a key, a can, and a rubber duck. So, key is the tin made of aluminium is not. The rubber duck is not, so only the key. Here we have 3 more objects: a ruler made of wood, a paper clip, and a rubber. So let's start with the ruler. Here we go. Okay, so the ruler is not. The paper clip is. The rubber is not. We have 3 more items: a screwdriver, a gold ring, and a cork. Let's see the screwdriver. The screwdriver is magnetic. The gold ring is not magnetic. The cork is not magnetic. Now we're going to try one more little experiment with 2 magnets. Let's try. Oh, let's try it with another one. Oh, did you see that? And oh, so let's rotate the magnet and see what happens. Okay, so you noticed when the colors were the same, the magnet did not attract, it repelled. So, finding out which materials are magnetic. The rubber duck, of course, is non-magnetic. The gold ring is non-magnetic. The magnet, well, it is magnetic, of course, but if we do not have it facing the right way, it does not attract, but it repels. Paperclip is magnetic. The rubber is non-magnetic. The ruler is non-magnetic. The aluminium can is non-magnetic. The cork is also non-magnetic. The key, if it's made of iron, is magnetic, and the screwdriver is magnetic. So, did you get these right? How many out of 10 did you guess correctly? As we saw in the experiment, the way we turn the magnet is important. Let's read together. Magnetic poles. Magnets have magnetic poles called the North Pole and the South Pole. For example, on your bar magnets, the red end is the North Pole and the blue end is the South Pole. Attraction and repulsion are magnetic forces. Here we have north and north facing each other. As we saw in the experiment, these magnets push away from each other. We call this repulsion. They push in opposite directions. In this case, we have South Pole and North Pole. Different poles, or unlike poles, pull towards each other, so in the same direction, one towards the other. We call this attraction. Now, answer a few questions about the video you have just watched. 1. Name 3 different types of magnets. 2. What do we call the magnetic forces? 3. Are all metals magnetic? Explain your answer. 4. What do we call the red end of a magnet? And the blue end? 5. Do you have any magnets in the house? What do they do? Copy these questions and write the answers on your exercise book. Try to write full sentences. Now, pause the video and copy the 5 questions. If you have any trouble, you can watch the video again to help. That's all for today. Bye-bye.